money on YouTube. There are a few ways to make money on YouTube advertising revenue. You can make money through the ads that are played before, during, or after your videos. You will receive a share of the ad revenue based on the number of views and clicks on the ads. Sponsorships. You can work with brands and companies to promote their products or services in your videos. You can either receive payment for the promotion or receive free products in exchange for the promotion. YouTube Premium. You can make money from people who pay for a YouTube Premium subscription, which allows them to watch videos without ads and access other premium features. Merchandise. You can sell merchandise, such as t-shirts and mugs, through the YouTube shop. To be eligible for monetization on YouTube, you need to have a channel with at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. You also need to follow YouTube's policies and guidelines and be at least 18 years old. I hope this information is helpful. Is there anything else I can help you with?